On the capital logjam, former IPS officer Kiran Bedi has tweeted saying it's unfair for Delhi people not to get a stable government and return to polls again.
Mandate and Ms. Kiran Bedi, you seem to be offering a bit of a solution in a situation like this. Could we know what really is the solution that you're offering?
I'm offering a Y media. I'm offering an option. It's may not be an acceptable solution, but an option which could be explored. Don't rule it out. But if it doesn't work, doesn't work. Is that both the city of Delhi has actually rejected the Congress. They voted in BJP, they voted in AAP. So both are voted in. BJP is not rejected. BJP has been voted in because it was not BJP's government. The rejected party is only the Congress. So more than half the electorate which is voted in prefers BJP, little less prefers the AAP. That means they are both preferred choices of the electorate of Delhi. Secondly, they're not adversaries. Why can't they look at sitting down together and explore an option of a common minimum program? I don't think one of them is looking at hiking Bijli and the other is looking at giving free everything. I think they're looking at both similar solutions. They could be, so why could they not sit down together and explore an option of a common minimum program? If it works, it works. If it doesn't, well, you have the last resort of taking us back into the queues to vote them back. See, it's taking us all these thousands who spent the whole day with you. So we've all voted you in. Why can't you do the minimum thing is to at least discuss things with each other, talk to each other, saying these are our common You're not competing. It's not you're not running a race right now. You are both voted in to serve the people. Serve the people. It's a time to prove that you're truly here to serve. Cooperation is service. Working together is service. And not opposing each other is service. So at the moment, if you're just going to oppose each other, it's not service. That's not what we voted you in. We voted you to serve us.
So you are saying by being in opposition, this is a sort of a disservice because, they were voted in for governance.
I would say making no effort. Making no effort is disservice. Why don't you make an effort? And if the effort works, just as Arvind has found new ways of conducting his elections, he can find this as a new way. There are always new ways of working. Why do we remember Nelson Mandela? First thing he did after years of jail was Reconciliation Commission, a conciliation commission, where he left the past behind and moved on. I think this is where we need to move from the past and move to the present.
But ma'am, this takes away the basic plank on which Aam Aadmi Party has contested these polls, that they neither agree with the BJP's form of politics, neither with the Congress's form of politics. This will be, as many call it, professional harakiri.
But isn't there plank also to serve the people at any cost? Serve people? So if they're going to serve people, they're not hurting people. They're serving people if there's a common plan. And in the process, they're serving those also who voted for BJP. So in a way, they're serving both. They're serving the people. They came to serve their own constituency, or did they come to serve people of Delhi? I want to know that. So if they're going to stick to their own rule, then they are going to serve only those who voted for them? Or is Delhi their constituency? That applies to both. And I think they need to, the elders of both, Shanti Bhushan's and Mr. Advani's and Mr. Gadkari's, etc. I think Rajnath Singh's, Sushma's, I think Jaitley's, they need to just sit down together. And by the way, we used to sit down together. When we were on the India Against Corruption movement, we were sitting down together. So